I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. This video will be showing you all how to claim a $150 no deposit bonus account for you to start trading the live market in 2026, right? And this account is available to both existing users and new users. As you could see on the screen, this is a $150 no deposit account, right? And all the detailed process will be explained in this video. And before we move on, let's take this video to at least 150 likes. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it to at least a trader out there so that this video can get to the right people who need it, so that you can stay updated on various free funded accounts, no deposit account like this. I'll be making the detailed process on how to go about the process on getting this 150 account very fast, right? So that you can understand this process, replicate this process, and extra to fulfill this task so you can get this amazing $150 no deposit account before it runs out of claim, right? You could see the registration interface showing on the screen, so you could sign up through the Facebook section, the Google section, or through the register with email, right? For better still, you can register through the email. This is the most convenient method, and so that your password can be retained and stored properly, right? So on this interface, you'll be inputting your email address, your first name, your last name, all in a chronicle order, right? You'll be inputting them in the right way, right? So that you don't make any mistake, right, that could forfeit your chances. And once this is done successfully, you'd have to create a password, a unique password, and you could see the details required while creating a password. Only letters, characters, and you could see at least 8 characters and at least 1 lowercase and uppercase. Once all these are fulfilled respectively, you just have to tap on register for an account, and you could see a verification code have been sent to your email. That shows that your registered email will be receiving a verification code, a OTP code, and you just have to exit to your registered email, copy this code, head back to this registration interface of this particular broker, right? A lot of you are familiar with this particular broker, and once this is done successfully, you could see you have successfully registered for an account, right? And before we move on, what you can see on the screen is my Telegram channel, where I do up latest no deposit update, free funded account update, and money making update. As you could see it on the screen, you could see a community of more than 5,900 members, so that you can be part of this community and so that you don't miss out on this amazing account, which is dropped regularly, including updates. Before any update will be dropped here on YouTube, you're finding it in my Telegram channel so that you too can stay updated, right? And if you want to trade with a prop firm that has no consistency rule, you'll be finding a link in the description of this video and around this video, and you'll be finding the video here on YouTube too. You can go through the process of the video so that you can start trading with this amazing prop firm account, right? And the link to also claim this particular bonus will be made available in the description of this video and in my Telegram channel, right? So let's go straight to the detailed process required to get this amazing $150 bonus. As you could see on the screen, start trading for free with a $150 account. I'll be explaining the requirement needed and the minimum and maximum withdrawal that comes with this particular bonus once you satisfy the terms and conditions. And immediately you are signed up into this account, you should be seeing the banner of the $150, right, showing on the screen. And once you tap on it, you could see follow 3 simple instructions, click start bonus, right? And you could see trade every day on your bonus account and earn real money, right? You need to satisfy the terms and conditions. And I want you all to know that there is a particular catchment area that comes with this bonus, right? And you'll be seeing something like a calendar on this broker's interface, and it is a detailed instruction regarding this $150 no deposit bonus, and it states the currency pairs that you can trade on each day, right? For example, on Monday you might be able to trade forex and oil only, and on Tuesday you can be able to trade cryptocurrencies alone, and Wednesday you can trade indexes alone, and Thursday the metas, right? You just have to understand all this, stay updated to the broker section, and you'll be having full details about it. And you can see who can claim this bonus. This bonus is available to both existing users and new users, which are clearly explained, and you can see more details about the terms and conditions. You'll be finding detailed process about these terms and conditions, and once you scroll all through to the end, you'll be finding a link of which you can download the PDF so you can have the full details about this particular terms and condition. And as I told you guys that the minimum and maximum withdrawal that can be made on this account, right? The maximum withdrawal in particular that can be made on this $150 bonus is $100. And you could see, how do I withdraw my bonus, right? To withdraw your funds, you must complete the trading period with a profit, and your withdrawal amount is going to be calculated by taking your bonus lots and multiplying them by random coefficients, so you can better understand how all this works, right? In case any of these terms and conditions is unclear to you, you can come back to this particular interface, go through it properly, and so that you can have the detailed process. And more details about these terms and conditions will be dropped in my Telegram channel. That is one of the reasons why you need to stay updated about this account in my Telegram channel, so that you too can be part of the evolving and growing community of traders, right? And once you're having any question regarding this particular $150 bonus, drop a comment and you'll be getting a fast response addressing the issues or your inquiries in any way regarding this bonus, right? You could see, and are there any restrictions during the bonus account? You could see each client can claim the bonus only once. That's to show you that each person is only eligible to one account, right? And make sure you don't try to bypass this bonus account. That's to show you that you can claim this bonus account using multiple accounts. Once your IP address is detected, both accounts will be cancelled, right? And you won't be able to access any of this account. And as I told you guys, that once you scroll all through to the end, you'll be able to download the PDF of the terms and conditions, and you could see you can download the PDF here. That is for the aspect of the detailed terms and conditions. The major details which you are going to be needing have been explained on the screen, and I've previously explained all this so that you better understand. You can go back to the beginning of the video, watch the details process properly, so that you could know the right pattern. You could see you'll be trading this bonus for a duration of at least 7 days, and trading it on at least 7 days, right? On each day you will be given $15 each, right? To better understand. And the next day you might be getting $30 until it compounds all through to $150, right? You could see, and you'll be trading this account with the MetaTrader 5 and not a demo account. You'll be trading it on their real account, right? I want you all to understand this, and I'll be taking you guys through the detailed process once we head straight to the MT5 platform. And you could see today's instrument, right? I've already explained what it means by this particular instrument, which is listed on the screen. And that's to show you that for each day you are going to be eligible to a particular trading instrument. For example, on Monday you might be eligible to trade stocks only, right? According to the calendar, you could see today's instrument. So today we are going to be trading stocks only. I'll be showing you the category where you are going to be able to trade stocks only through your MT5 platform, right? And you could see the next day starts in 12 hours and 58 seconds thereabout. And once you scroll through to the bonuses section, under the MetaTrader settings, you'll be finding your login details, your password, your server details, your server IP, and the MetaTrader 5 details on how to download it. That's if you don't have the MetaTrader 5 app on your phone or on your laptop or your desktop, whichever one you are making use of, right? So once you head straight to your MT5, once you've gotten this account successfully, and I want you all to know that you might be required to verify your account if you are just registering on this platform to be able to get this $150 bonus. But if you are an existing user, you might not need to verify any further, right? And you might still be getting it without verifying your account. Geographical restrictions also apply to this particular bonus, right? I want you all to understand all this, right? So once you come straight to your MT5 platform and then you search for the name of the broker, which you could see on my screen here, you just have to input your login details, your password, the server details, and then you'll be logged into this account. And I also want you all to know that make sure the server is showing the Headway real account. This is not a demo account, it's a real account. Once it's on the demo account, you'll be finding inconsistent password, incorrect password. So make sure it's a live account. And once you are signed into the MT5 trading platform, you'll be seeing the $15 account, the initial $15, right? What you are going to be getting in total is a $150 bonus. And this $150 bonus will be accumulated on a daily basis, right? As I told you that the initial amount is a $15, right? And you could see on the balancing section, rather, right, you could see the no deposit bonus is showing a 150 USD, right? You could see the account dashboard, right? The UID of the account, the particular cycle section showing the 150, right? That's to show you that what will be accumulated on a daily basis is about 30-15 until it gets to the particular requirement of the $150, right? I hope you all understand this particular concept, and I'll be taking you guys through the step on how this next details about this account works, right? As I previously explained, that you guys shouldn't mix this up, that on a specific date you are allowed to only trade some particular pairs and avoid some particular pairs. For example, on Monday you might be told to trade the stocks only, right? I want you all to understand this account and how it works so that you won't get it wrongly and your account won't be breached, or you won't be messing it up and not being able to open trades, right? So if on Monday you are trading the metals, right, you'll be trading the XAU USD, that's the gold, or the XAG USD, that's the silver or the crude oil, right? And once you come to this add symbol section, you'll be seeing the crypto, the energies, the forex, the local, the metals, and the stocks, right? And on each day you'll be told to trade a particular currency pair, right? And you'll be told to trade a particular symbol, right? And following these symbols, you might be told to trade cryptocurrency on a particular day, so you just have to trade cryptocurrency only on that particular day, and on the next day you'll be trading the next available pair, right? Maybe it's the normal forex trading pairs, right, that you're going to be going with, right? You just have to follow this detailed process to be on the right track, right, of getting the best out of this amazing no deposit bonuses, right? If you follow the instructions of these various bonuses, you should be able to make the best out of this account, right, satisfying the detailed terms and conditions, which isn't complicated, right? You just have to follow the details, and most of these details are explained in these videos, right? And immediately you've gotten the detailed process regarding this account, head straight to get this $150 immediately, right? So you don't miss out on this kind of account, and then come back to do the next necessary details regarding this particular bonus, right? You'll be finding all you need to trade on the broker section. You just have to stay updated about the detailed process. This is how you really need to know. And make sure you subscribe, like. As I said earlier, let's take this video to more than 150 likes. We can do more than this. I hope you all have a lovely and profitable trading week ahead.